Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare Samsung Galaxy S10 with S10 Plus. And find out the best one. Galaxy S10 Plus has 6.4-inch screen, with 526 pixels per inch. While S10 has smaller, 6.1-inch screen, with 550 pixels per inch. And both smartphones have similar thickness. Both devices have improved and similar rear camera setup. With two 12 and one 16 megapixels camera setup. On front side, S10 Plus have dual 10 and 8 megapixels camera. While S10 has single 10 megapixels front camera. S10 Plus will be available in 12 and 8 GB RAM with up to 1 TB storage options. While S10 will be available in only 8 GB RAM with up to 512 GB storage options. And, don't worry, you can add extra storage in both devices. Both smartphone will operate under latest Snapdragon 855 chipset, with 2.7 octa-core processor. S10 Plus is equipped with 4100 mAh battery. While S10 has 3400 mAh battery. S10 Plus will be available in $1,190, and S10 will be available in $1,050. Both smartphones have good screen protection with Gorilla Glass 6. And they will operate under latest Android Pie. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options, with SD card slot. Moreover, they also have water and dust IP protection with IP68 protection. Both devices can be used to pay any kind of bills, because they do support mobile payment. Both smartphones do have wireless, as well as fast charging options. For security, both smartphones are equipped with fingerprint scanner. However, they do not support Face ID or face scan. They are available in prism white, black, green and many more colors. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.